In a fascinating display of cohabitation, birds have found an unconventional home within the horns of certain animals. This unique symbiotic relationship sees birds utilizing the hollow spaces in animal horns as shelter, offering them protection and a safe nesting environment. The arrangement benefits both parties, as the birds gain a secure habitat, while the animals may benefit from the birds' activities, such as foraging insects or removing parasites. This harmonious coexistence in the natural world showcases the adaptability and resourcefulness of wildlife in creating unexpected alliances. Thanks for subscribing.